Hi moms and dads, I'm going to need your help with another quick math assessment. So all you need to do for your child is just set up about 7 of their fancy rocks in front of them. And all you're going to do is say, how many are there? And hopefully they'll just start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you'll just ask them, how many? And hopefully they'll just say 7. Sometimes they'll want to recount. The object of this is trying to get them to count, and then when you ask them, they remember that number, so they're keeping that number in their head. So if they forgot, that's okay, just move on to the next part. So now they know it's 7. You're just going to move some rocks around, doesn't matter which way, put them at the end, move them around, and just ask them to count again. So say, how many? Now, we want them to say 7 without counting. We want them to know that we didn't take any away and we didn't add any, so there's still going to be 7. Now, very commonly in kindergarten, they might want to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If they do this, I want you to try it again. So they say 7, and then they'll move them around again. You'll say, how many are there? Hopefully now they go, 7. Or they might count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You might find that they might just like to count them. They like to be right. They like to make sure. If that happens and they're still counting, then say, why do you think that there's still only 7? And you can put them together and have them count or spread them out. You can even put them in a circle and have them starting at different rocks and counting around and seeing if they still find 7. Hopefully, in the end, they say there's still 7 because you didn't take any away and you didn't add any, so it has to be 7. That's what we're looking for. If they don't get that right, that's okay. They're still working on this skill, and you can practice it a couple more times next week. Just record the whole thing. Even if they get it wrong, that's okay too. That's all I need. Thanks.